Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a gift with purchase on Shopify. So first thing, you want to log into your Shopify store. So basically, like how this works is like when a customer reaches a certain value, like there will be a gift added in the cart. Okay, so you will have to upload, you want to click on products, and of course you will have to add the gift first. Of course the price should be 0, so it's free, and then you can name it free gift or whatever. Okay, so after you add that gift, I already did that. As you can see, it's called free gift and the price is 0, so I'm not charging anything for the gift. As you can see, it's $0. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, next up, guys, next thing you need to do, guys, is to download an app that will help you like add a gift with purchase. Okay, so you want to just search here on free gift with purchase, and you will see here a bunch of apps. As you can see, a lot of apps. Now the one I like is this one. It's called I2 add to cart free gift. Click on it, and this is the logo of the app. You want to click on install, and it's going to take you guys to the next page to confirm. Just click again on install. Okay, it's going to take you guys directly to the app. Okay, so now we are going to start to add a gift with purchase, as you can see. So I'm going to, first thing you need to do, guys, just wait for it, guys, to load. Okay, so now you want to just click on approve. This is going like they are going to give you like 5 days free trial ending like on November 14. As you can see, like 5 days. So if you don't like the app, you can always delete it before they charge your card. So click on approve. Okay, so after, guys, you click on approve, like I said, they are not going to charge your card now. Like if you don't like it, within 5 days, make sure to remove the app from your Shopify store. So after, guys, you are on this page, you want to click on enable app embed. Of course, you will have to enable it in the theme editor. Just click on activate app. Okay, and it will take you guys directly to your theme editor. By the way, this works on all themes, so you just need to enable this, toggle this on, as you can see here, guys, and then click on save in the top right. So make sure you save that. Okay, like I said, click on save in the top right after you toggle this on. Okay, so after that, you want to just close this tab, and then you want to come back to the app. Here it says here, create your first role. You want to click on create a role. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you can name the role. I'm going to name it free gift. Okay, next up, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit, and you can always, like, you can choose this if you want to trigger as you can see, trigger the role when a customer's cart reaches a certain value, or you can trigger this when like a certain product or products are added to cart. So I always choose the first feature, the first option, like cart value. Like I would like trigger the role when a customer's cart reaches a certain value, like a certain amount of money, like $100 or $50, depends. Okay, so here, as you can see, when a customer's cart value reaches, for example, $90 or $100, they will see a gift. There will be a gift in the cart. It's free. Okay, so here it says here you can also add an upper cart value if you want, but I don't like it, so I'm not going to use this. You can always use this if you want. Here, role works in reverse, like enabling this setting will remove automatically the added product if the cart contains a change or the role conditions are no longer met. So this will, like, it's like when the cart, like when a customer adds like 2 products and the cost of these 2 products is $200, and on the cart he removes 1 product, and now the cost of that product is only like $50. The gift will be removed automatically from the cart. That's exactly what this means. So you can always like allow this rule to be triggered more than once per cart. You can choose it if you want, but I don't like it, so I'm going to ignore it. And then as you can see, guys, role action automatically add products to cart or give customers a choice of products to add. Okay, so you can either choose one of these, like role actions. You can give like choose these for items when the customer needs to select at the variant, or now most of the time, most people, they are going to choose here automatically add products to cart. Now here, then automatically add. You want to choose the gift here, click on choose products, and you want to choose the gift and then click on add. Okay, so next up guys, you want to, here it says the gift is out of stock, so I'm going to add the stock, like I'm going to add some quantity, like I'm going to add some I'm going to change the quantity here. I'm going to click on free gift and I'm going to change the quantity here. I'm going the available quantity, I'm going to change it to 10 or like, okay, so here, okay, so for that I'm going to click on save. Alright, now after you are on this page here, you can also click on prevent customers changing the added item quantities in their cart if you want. Okay, so as you can see, enable these settings if you are using a rule add the deposit or service charge or the other item that customers should not be able to remove from their cart. Now here, for example, prevent customers purchasing the added items outside of this rule. Like if you want to enable this, like it will just it will not allow customers to add the free gift to their cart, so that they can just take the free gift without buying the products. So that's exactly the meaning of this. Okay, so here add a remaining and the remaining selected products when one or more chosen products are out of stock. You can choose it. Okay, so here you can also click on show notification, and this notification will be sent to the customer after they reach a certain value, so they can like take advantage of free gift. You can just add the message here, for example, message headline, for example, congratulations, for example, congrats, you have won a free gift, okay, something like this. And here you can choose the image, so like it will include a gift icon. Okay, so after here it says don't apply any discount. You can apply a discount if you want, but I don't like it, so I'm just going to apply any discount, like the items at normal price, like all the items should be at normal price. You can apply a discount using Shopify automated discount if you want. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, run this rule continuously, so you can like immediately after you click on save, this rule will be active, or you can just run this rule for a specific time period if you want. Here all visitors, all store visitors, like this rule will trigger all store visitors, but if you upgrade it to a premium plan, you can like choose only stores who arrive via a magic link, or existing customers who are logged in, or visitors who are not logged in customers. Now these three different features are only available when you pick a premium plan. Okay, so here after you are done, click on save and click on save without discount. And as you can see, warning, rule is using a zero priced item. We don't recommend using a zero priced item as the action product, as there are many risks associated with them. We recommend the safeguarding gift by using a discount to make it free. This can be achieved from discount section. Now you can choose just and then click on ignore and save. And now I'm going to show you how this works. Now as you can see, we have set the certain value to $100. Now I'm going to try to add this product to cart. As you can see, I'm going to click on add to cart. I'm going to click on view cart. As you can see, the gift is now on the cart. But if I remove it, for example, if I only want to buy one product and the cost of that product is only only less than $100, there will not be the gift here. But if I increase if the cart, as you can see, congrats, you have won a free gift. Now this works if like customer reaches a certain value of $100, which is the price I have set. Okay, so if it's less than $100, you will not be able to see this gift in the cart. But if the certain value is reached, the gift will appear in the top, as you can see. You will also receive a notification. Okay, so if this one guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.